This is Matt Forestieri, Forestieri Custom Exteriors. This is how flat surfaces are pressure washed. Concrete, brick, driveways, walkways. You can see the difference before on the right, after on the left. Brick steps, after on the left, before on the right. You can see what a huge difference simple cleaning makes. I use a surface cleaner, and then I use a regular wand to cut in all the crevices and corners. And I have a machine that runs at 8 gallons a minute, so I can get a lot of volume done with the right equipment. This is a sample of how flat surfaces are washed. Thanks for watching.